Hi.
Today we're making a mango sorbet. You only need 2 ingredients, 1 or 2 mangoes, and a jar of honey. We also need a knife to cut the mango, a spoon to scoop out mango. You don't need a knife to cut the mango, some paper, a plate, and a cutting board to cut the mango on. Let's get started. First we need the knife. My mom will cut the knife because I'm scared of that. All I have to do is cut it into a shape like a bowl. Yeah, and then cut it in half. Take out the seed. And if there's something not right on your mango, then just take it off. Look, you take the spoon, but it depends on your skin, because if your mango skin is strong, you can slice it off the cup edge. But if it's not so strong, then you can surely use a spoon and just scoop out everything. Just take it and scoop it out. Make sure you make pieces not too big, and then just put them on the tray or plate. I have a plate. Just have to scoop. Don't make the mango pieces too close to each other, otherwise they'll freeze together. I'm gonna eat that piece. That's good, Fred. I don't want to spoil it too much. I'm just gonna tell you one thing. It's gonna be super tasty. I tried doing this 2 times already, and I want to show you guys.
And we use the skin like a plate.
At the end, it'll be so good. I promise you.
This is ready for the fridge.
Actually, not the fridge, but the freezer. Once you're done, you can wash your hands. Where am I going? Oops, I forgot. We can just put that to the side. We don't need those skins yet. And you're coming with me. My mom's gonna take the plate, and we are gonna go to the freezer. There. Here is a mango, and it goes into the freezer. Bye-bye, mango. See you about in an hour. I forgot to tell you, we also need to put the skins into the fridge, not the freezer, the fridge. Now just put them on the fridge. Oh no, goodbye, mango skin. Bye-bye, see you in 1 hour. Okay, now it's time to take the mango out of the fridge, and then we can get it off the tray. It's too cold for me, so I'm just gonna... It's sticked.
Use your hand first.
Okay, fine. Oh no. Oh no! It's cold. It's actually cold, I'm not lying. Woo! Doesn't really look so good. Doesn't really feel good. Whoa! Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my god. It's cold, I can't. Too good.
How many hours it was in the fridge?
It was 3 hours. I thought it was an hour, but I think I was a bit mixed up. Just to tell you, if you put it in an hour, put 2 more hours also. I don't think it would work. Oh yeah, and you better have a blender right now because we have to blend it. But for the blender, you also need to have the honey. You have to pour a little bit in there, not too much. Not a little bit. Okay, sorry, I can't control myself without mango. It's too good. I'm so sorry, but I can't control myself. Okay, guys, we blended the mango. Where did it go? Oh, there it is, under the table. Got it. The texture is supposed to be really smooth. But for us, our blender is not so strong, so we only have a little bit of pieces left. But look at this. Oh, smoothie. It's super smooth. Now we can get out our skins. As you see, mine did not rot, because we put it in the fridge. It's fine, still very yellow. So I'll start with this one, and then I just take out a scoop of the sorbet. I put it right into the skin. And it's ready. We can Then you can take a spoon, boom, and it's in. I'm gonna take a scoop. Mmm, it's super good. You gotta try it. Bye guys. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you like it.